In this video today, what I'm going to do is show you guys how to start taming small parrots. I've got a pair of eastern rosellas here. These guys have just been aviary birds. They've not had a huge amount of human contact, just feeding and leaving to it. Now what I'm going to do is just show you what these guys are like to start with. I've only just got them, so these guys are completely untouched at this moment in time. Now you're going to see the reaction the birds give me as I attempt just to step 1 foot inside the aviary. So now we're going to start step 1. I'm going to go in, place the food in their aviary, and then when I leave I'm going to take the food with me. Now I'm not staying in the aviary with these guys. What I'm going to do is potter around up here in my bird room for a little bit, give these guys a chance to find the food to feed, and then when I leave, the food's going to come back out. Now this is going to mean that the birds are going to learn that when I'm around, the food's around, and this is going to break the barrier and hopefully start to build their confidence. As I go in, I'm not going to make eye contact with these guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just look down to the floor, but I am going to show them the food within the seed cup and then place the seed cup over by their water bowl. And watching the first few sessions, it was obvious that the cockbird especially wanted to sit over in the far corner. So for this next session I drilled a hole through the perch enough to fit the D-cup on and slotted the D-cup down into his spot where he wanted to sit to hopefully encourage the pair to start feeding.
You've got this. Indeed, the world's #1 job site. World's #1 job site according to ComScore yesterday.
After around 5 minutes of the cup being in the new position, the cockbird began to feed, but then became defensive as the hen came in to feed with him.
This afternoon, whilst if it's Shrewsbury who get through, it'll be the first time that they've been that high up the leagues since 19.
After about 8 minutes of the cockbird defending the feed bowl, we finally stepped aside to let the female feed. They fed together for about a further 5 or 6 minutes before I took the food bowl away, ready for the next session. On the 5th session, I let them start feeding as before, and then opened the door and just stood back to let them carry on feeding with me in their presence. For the final session of the first day's desensitization, what I done was allowed the birds to come over whilst the door was open, and then I took a step into the door frame as they were happily feeding. Day 2, we're going to put the food in, remain in the doorway, allow the birds to come over and feed, and this is going to be desensitization work and allowing them to build their confidence around me. Over the next 4 days I moved the food cup from place to place, allowing the birds to come to me or walk past me to come over and feed. Halfway through day 8 they began to feed from the bowl held in my hand and build their confidence up enough to start stepping up on day 9. Next I started asking the birds on day 9 to step onto my finger to go straight to the bowl. This then built up to the birds stepping up and being taken to the bowl on the finger. Okay guys, it's taken 10 days, but now I've got 2 nice tame rosellas. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll be showing you more from these guys as their training progresses.